Here's a nice John Deere 4040, 1982 model, quad transmission. It's got a John Deere 260 loader with joystick, quick attach bucket, part of the Boyer's Adventure Camp farm auction here in September 12th, 2025. Good rubber all the way around the tractor. Used it here for a yard tractor. It's got 540,000 PTO, 2 hydraulics, 3-point. Pretty straight tractor. Again, it's an 82 model. Open station, you don't see one like this every day. So, pretty nice tractor. It does have band duals that are coming with it, and the rubber on the band duals are really nice. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office, 507-584-0133. We'll be glad to help you.